Today, friends, I welcome you on behalf of Rachael and Daniel, and I thank you as we gather to support the coming together in love of this couple. We're here to celebrate their union and the union of their families. Will you, Daniel, take Rachael as your lawfully wedded wife, to love her, laugh with her and stand by her, to comfort her, respect her and to be honest with her, to be her best friend and grow old with her through whatever may come?
I do.
Will you, Rachael, take Daniel as your lawfully wedded husband, to love him, laugh with him and stand by him, to comfort him, to respect him and to be honest with him, to be there for him and grow old with him through whatever may come?
I do.
Family and friends, I have the honour and pleasure of presenting you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Van Putten Curry.